Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Here's your weekly dose of inspiration to build a creative habit. One drawing at a time. Brought to you by Sketchbook School. Hi! Today I have a fun exercise for you because I love drawing self-portraits. Some people feel intimidating by doing portraits, and self-portraits also can be kind of intimidating because you never know how it's going to turn out. But then again, it's your own face. So if it doesn't turn out that well, do another one. Well, the exercise of today is really accessible. It's not about the outcome, it's just a lot of fun. For this exercise, you will need a mirror, and I will be also using color pencils just because I like the color pencils and they will add to the fun, but you can also use a pen or a pencil. And these are the rules. 1. Do not pick up your pen because this is a continuous line drawing. 2. Do not look at your paper. This is a blind contour drawing as well. And 3. Don't worry about the outcome. Just have fun. Pick a point to start. One of the eyes, for example. Trace the outline with your eyes and follow with your pen. Don't look at your paper. Just keep looking in the mirror and find the corner of the eyes. The iris and pupil, the eyebrows, the nose and the nostrils. Find ways to connect the features by making an extra circle or tracing a wrinkle or a line that you see. Work your way around the face. The drawing will turn out wonky, and that's guaranteed. Give it a few goes and you will get a page full of wonky selfies, maybe a little bit of a Picasso style. This is a great way to practice your hand-eye coordination, and the more often you do this exercise, the better you get at it. You can also do it with a sketch pal and draw each other. It'll be fun to show each other's drawings at the end and just giggle about it. Doing a fun selfie like this is always a great idea. And if you think you might run out of ideas, well, then sign up for the 101 Things to Draw. This list of prompts will keep you drawing. Make sure to sign up.